In this video, we will help you start your Florida LLC. A limited liability company, LLC, offers liability protection and tax advantages, among other benefits for small businesses. LLC formation in Florida is easy. Just follow these 9 steps, and you'll be on your way. Step 1. Name your Florida LLC. You'll need to choose a name to include in your articles before you can register your LLC. Names must comply with Florida's naming requirements. There are the most important requirements to keep in mind. Your business name must include the words Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC. Your name must be different from an existing business in the state. You can do a search on the Secretary of State's website to determine if a particular business name is in use. The business name cannot contain words used to name a government agency, for example, State Department, CIA, FBI, Treasury, etc. Certain restricted words, bank, lawyer, attorney, credit union, etc. may require additional documentation and licensure paperwork. Check URL availability. Even if you don't think you'll need a web page, you probably will. At the very least, you should reserve the option of having one in the future by buying your domain name now. Before finalizing your LLC name, it's a good idea to check if the URL is available. If you aren't ready to register your LLC but are concerned your name might be taken by someone else, you can reserve it for a small fee. Step 2. Choose your registered agent. Florida requires you to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is a person or entity authorized to receive service of process and other official legal documents and notices on behalf of your LLC. A registered agent can be a person, including yourself or an employee of your LLC, or an entity that offers a registered agent service. They must meet some criteria. Entities, or companies, must provide a registered agent services. The registered agent must have an address in Florida and must be on-site and available to accept documents during regular business hours. Step 3. Prepare and file Articles of Organization. The Articles of Organization is a document that officially establishes your LLC by laying out basic information about it. Prepare Articles of Organization and file them with the Florida Division of Corporations to register your Florida LLC properly. Though it sounds like a big job, that simply means filling out a relatively simple online form and submitting it. You can also send it by mail. To prepare your articles, you'll usually need name and address of your LLC, members and managers' names, type of business you'll be operating, name and address of your registered agent. Once you file your articles, the Secretary of State will review the filing. If the articles are approved, the LLC becomes a legal business entity. Step 4. Receive a certificate from the state. The state will issue you a certificate that confirms the LLC formally exists after the LLC's formation documents are filed and approved. This certificate will allow the LLC to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, business licenses, and a business bank account. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a document that outlines the way your LLC will conduct business. Florida does not require your LLC to file an operating agreement, but it is an essential component of your business. Having a readily accessible, written operating agreement is helpful for various reasons, including settling disputes that may arise over financial agreements and other potential litigation. Without an agreement in place, the courts make determinations based on state law, not necessarily what is in the best interest of the LLC and its members. A thorough operating agreement will help prevent misunderstandings and ensure everyone follows the same protocols. In fact, your agreement might even call for penalties on members who do not follow the rules. Step 6. Get an Employer Identification Number. The 9-digit Employer Identification Number, EIN, is assigned by the Internal Revenue Service to identify your LLC for taxes. You can obtain your EIN by mail or online through the IRS. The purpose of an EIN is to assist file and manage taxes at the state and federal level. Obtain licenses and permits. Open a business bank account and hire employees. Step 7. Obtain your Florida business license. LLCs in several industries are required to obtain a Florida business license. Find out whether your industry or profession requires a business license by looking it up on the Florida Secretary of State's website. Step 8. Establish a bank account. LLCs in Florida are required to have a bank account in the state in order to begin conducting business. Step 9. Hire and pay taxes. If your LLC has employees, you must comply with these employer obligations. Report all new employee hires or rehires, within 20 days of hiring or rehiring. LLCs must report new employees to the Florida Department of Revenue. LLCs must purchase workers' compensation insurance as soon as the fourth person is hired and pay unemployment taxes. Next steps. Registering your LLC gives you a legal foundation to conduct business. Plan to keep your LLC compliant and in active status on the state's website. This might include making quarterly tax payments. All Florida LLCs must file an annual report annually, and the first report is due in the year following formation. LLCs must be filed online between January 1st and May 1st. You also need to maintain a registered agent for your business. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand will make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty. Time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.